Hello guys, today I am bringing you my Lego pump action shotgun with red dot sight. It holds tied rounds and has a working trigger mechanism as well as pump. It also has a top rail and a slide to lock shells in place. Manually welded, weighs approximately 3 pounds. With the sight, it increases the accuracy and the deal radius. This model took 3 hours to build and unfortunately doesn't have a very realistic stock or even colors. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.